Guys, so today I'm playing some Roblox. Sorry if you hear any music or anything. Fixing my room up. Today we're playing some Adopt Me. Please subscribe and like and comment, please. That would mean a lot to me. Yeah. My sister's also hoping. So she's not. Oh no, you don't pay with me. I'm gonna be getting some Robux soon, hopefully, because I really want to hatch some eggs. Also, I got a bacon boy now, so that's exciting. Yes, we're gonna see what people want to trade for bacon boy. Oh, it's I'm trying to level. Oh wait, no, you were thirsty. Sorry. Pet. Okay, so let's give my pet a lemonade. Okay. So now I'm gonna go. Oh, say hi. You have to come over here so they can see. Hi. Yeah, so she says hi. Oh, my pet needs a shower. But yeah, we're gonna be leveling up today because that's gonna be exciting. Yeah. So also feel free to say hi to me and stuff. Oh no, you went first. Feel free to say hi to me and adopt me if you find me, or in Star Stable. I'm on the server Frost Valley and Star Stable. Just saying. Okay. So we're gonna go. What? Okay, my pet wants to go to the party. Let's take it to the pool party. I'm sorry if you hear music in the background, but let's take it to the pool party. Let's go. I'm just gonna take a bike instead, because it's so annoying to have to use the choo-choo train. Also, I'm going to be doing things like trying to find scammers, and stuff. Like, if people say I can double your pet and stuff, like, if I'm online, I'm gonna make a video of, like getting out scammers and stuff. So, comment down below if you think I should do that, because I will so do that, and you guys can help me with it. If you guys are interested in being in one of my videos, you guys can help me with finding scammers and stuff. So, yeah. And, like, I'll get scammed for, like, smaller pets to point them out and just see how people would scam. ABC, if you can take care of my pet for 2 free pets. Okay, so we're taking care of my Puma here. I'm gonna show this ball because I really want oh shit, I forgot. Well, I want to show cow. Anyway. Just gonna wait until okay, there. Let's go ahead and leave this place. Oops, no, not slide. let's go ahead and get out of here. Try to see what we want. I want that ultra rare. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to get that ultra rare. Okay. Does she want? I'll do this. If she does this, I'm probably going to scream. No. I'll give her an otter for this, because they would work the same. Let's try to see if she wants anything. No, she's trying to skip. Let's say put in cat. Put in cat. I mean, thing red. Try to see if she's going to give me it. Let's trade her. Trade. I want that thing right in. Okay. Well, obviously she didn't want to trade that. Oh. Okay, sorry, mine. Oh, she doesn't want to trade this. I'll just keep on trading this girl because I want much. Super bad. I don't want the dog leash. Please no. Okay, I'll trade this girl. Ooh, that's kind of worth it. And this. Yeah, I'll do this. Yay! I got what I wanted out of this trade. Oh my goodness! Its name is Max. Well, thank you to whoever traded me this. Let me try to find her username so I can make her. That was very nice. Violette16. Thank you for this. I think I'm going to leave its name Max because it's so cute. And I still have my YouTube channel. But yeah, thank you. Let me ask her if she wants it back. Because I don't want to take something. Oh, all of them are getting in my train. Oh, that's so cute. Controlling and controlling. Oh, guys, you don't want to let me control this train. I am gonna make you fall off the bridge. That's not good. No, 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 no. Oh. Well, that is fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so just gonna go on. Okay, so is it full grown? I think it is full grown. Full grown, yeah. It's cool. I love it. I could so make a neon. I used to have a penguin, but it wasn't right. Should I leave its name Max? If Violette16 comments on this video, or anything, or sees this video, please comment if I should keep its name Max. If you say no, I will so change it. But right now, wait, can you not like press name on there? Name. What? Okay, used to. Alright. I'm bringing up Pickles. Pickles. I think. No, let's not use Bob. Let's name it Butter. Butter Nutter. Nutter. Isn't it one word? I don't know. Butter Nutter. Yeah, it's 2 words. Butter Nutter. No, not Butter Nutter. Smiley. Can we do it? No, not a smiley. Oh, here's an interesting Butter. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, I think he's not my favorite pet. Oh goodness. So cute. Oh, I want to name it Boba, actually. It's so cute. Boba. Okay. Yay! Its name is Boba. By the way, I got that from Sopa Squad Gaming. Why? Okay, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Bye bye.